Gotta get a better freaking setup here because this thing keeps falling. Currently in Tucson, Arizona. Going to be meeting up with my friend Johnny to go out more southern Arizona in a place called Happy Valley. Weather is not looking very good, so we're gonna get rained out. But you know what? There's nothing that this two-wheel drive can't do. And even though Johnny disagrees with his super nice rig and everything fancy, this is just stock. Stock everything. It's kind of, it does well. 300,000 miles over, actually. Way over. Almost 350,000. And two-wheel drive. I did put a 2-inch lift on this, but other than that, pretty good. Last time I was in Happy Valley, I was helping someone with a deer hunt, and it was one of the most magical times I've ever experienced. And Happy Valley in itself is just great. It's really pretty. A lot of coos deer, or cows, sorry. Some people call them coos. It's pronounced cows. I'm gonna get reamed by the internet. But no hunting this time, just camping, probably freeze out tonight, and we will see what happens. I think instead of me showing you the highway that I'm going to be driving on right now, I'll just plug in some of the driving that I have done this week. I have been to Bisbee, to Tombstone, other places up around where I live. Great trails, by the way, where I live. That's why I love living there. So I'll just plug that in right now. Lied. I'm showing you the highway. It was a lot of stop and go. It's going to be stop and go again up this hill on the I-10. They are doing construction, and it will be like this until spring. So that sucks for everyone that commutes to Tucson, which is quite a few people, because of the job opportunities being better there. So hopefully we can, I don't know, get to Happy Valley at a reasonable time. And here we go with the stop go for another probably 20 miles. So I wanted to take this opportunity and show you what I found in Sedona, which I am so excited about. And that is this little alien. Okay? Full leather. The craftsmanship is fantastic. It's hard to get the stitching on camera, but I love it. You guys will soon become familiar of my love for aliens and just weird stuff. The more and more I blog, the weirder it's gonna get. Still here. And I don't mind if I do. Gosh dang it, Riley Green. Gosh dang it. Got home, going to get everything together. Luckily, I haven't unpacked from the white sand strip last week, but basically I just need to lay down the seats, roll out this mat, take a shower, get everything else loaded up like some essentials, food, everything like that, and we'll be good to go. Now it's going to be super cold tonight, so I am doubling up, bringing an extra sleeping bag just in case. Stove, Camelback, random bag of sunflower seeds that I've just had in my vehicle, don't even know how to eat them. And then all my essential stuff up here. Gonna run into the shower, grab the dogs, and we should be set to go to Happy Valley. So that mountain range right over there is where I will be meeting Johnny, and it looks pretty dark. Yeah, we will see how it goes. I'm just waiting and waiting on this long train. Meanwhile, I got my coffee here. chicken bites. Looks like how many proteins here? 12, 3 servings, 36 grams of protein. Not as much as I would like to get in tonight, but it will do. I'm up here in Happy Valley, and now I am officially on a mission to find Johnny because I am out of service. In some rain finally, still no Johnny. What do we have in the road here? See how easy it would be to murder me? I just stop like, oh, what little critter, and then Johnny just pops out, kapow! Anyways, that's how my brain works. I don't know if anyone else's brain works like that. We found him. Found him, guys. Look at all set up. What a good rig he has. I don't have any of this fancy crap.
I look for some wood now. That's my you know how to do a low block.
I'm trying to make it a family channel. If you could stop cursing. We almost died.
Smoke. She's got to delete all of her footage now.
It is officially morning. Stayed very warm. Hold on. Rue was a snuggle bug. Lego took over one of the seats. That's where Johnny takes his poops, right over there.
Did it. All by myself.
And all of his things are destroyed.
Never camping with you again.
It's not my fault. Well, it kind of is my fault. He wanted to go to Mount Lemon. I was like, no. Let's go to better weather. Stopped, got the radios. Now it's time for the real fun. Johnny's conversations are insane, so I'm probably gonna have to bleep out most of the video, but we are just trucking along really deep now into Happy Valley, and we're just kind of seeing where we go. We'll probably turn around. I'm not going to go all the way. I believe this road you can go all the way to the backside of Mount Lemmon or Reddington, but I'm not doing that today. And
This is where I stop. You can take a right, which goes to Mesquite Ranch, or go to take a left. We're going to go into Turkey Creek Trailhead, and I'll show you where I was going to take you camping last night. But to the right is where I have yet to go explore.
well, to the right, though, that's where that gate is, I thought. No?
I don't know. You're 100% probably right. I literally got done exploring this whole front area, and then I was going to take that left, and I just decided to go home. But on Onyx, it says it passes all the way through.
Okay, yeah, I don't think I've been over this direction before. Do you want me to park?
Yeah, come down here.
No habla español.
Baby cat.
No habla español.
Wear baby clothes, kid. Grown men.
Do you hate men that wear too tiny of shirts? Did you get my alien?
What a weirdo, dude. What a weirdo. What a weirdo. What is she doing? She's gonna crash into that tree again. This is the second tree she's crashed into. Dude, there's I just said that to the camera. Second tree in one day. 2 trees one day. Stop, dude. You were so close to that tree again.
My thing beats.
What a lunatic.
Okay, Johnny and I just split off. He is, I think, going towards the backside of Mount Lemmon, and I am just following this road out, basically to the Mescal exit, hitting the I-10, and going to Tucson. So, that's the end of that.